Okay, so today I wanted to talk about the liver again. And one of the reasons why it's so important that we make sure to clean our liver. I'm going through an environmental toxins class right now, and it's really eye-opening. There was a study done, or there's a brochure that's put out by one of the companies that we carry at Clark's, and it shows a chart, and it's got a real small quantity of toxins from the early 1900s. And the amount of toxins that my mother, for example, would have been exposed to was higher, but not nearly as high as the amount of toxins that we're exposed to today. So this is part of the reason that I believe that our livers require more liver cleansing so that we don't get the negative effects that we mentioned in one of the previous videos. So one more thing to think about. If there's a drug, the reason that it hurts the liver is that in order to become a drug, it has to be changed chemically so that it's not considered natural anymore. Because if it's a natural product, it can't be patented. And it's the patent that allows the drug manufacturer to make a lot of money. So when you take a drug, it is something the liver doesn't recognize and is not able to clear as easily as the same substance when in a natural form the liver would be able to clear. So this is one of the reasons I have not had a drug in over 30 years. And the herbs that I take are going to be organic and the food that I consume, because I don't want to get those chemicals into my body in another way besides just taking a drug or getting a flu shot. There are lots of ways to get chemicals into your body. We get exposed to them every day without realizing it. Think of the BPA in plastic bottles. If you're not careful about the cosmetics or the skincare or even the lotions that you put on your body, you could be getting a lot of chemicals that way as well. So this was another video in the liver series. I hope this is helpful to you.